It's been raining, pouring for about 30 minutes now. Everybody's hiding. Cisterns are full, so the water runoff. Look how much water is coming out of there. There's so much water on the back end of the property right now. Look at all that water back there. That's just from 30 minutes. Love it though, wouldn't trade it for anything. So this is how fast and how hard that these downpours can just come out of nowhere during the rainy season. These are doing their job. They're keeping all this excess water away from the property. Look how much water is running out of there. Keeps it away from the foundation of the house. As you can see, even with the runoff pipe right here that goes down, that cistern is just overflowing right now. There's so much water coming off the roof. They can't even exit good enough. So I'm gonna have to work on that. Definitely not a water shortage this year. So that's what it's like in Belize during the rainy season. You're gonna get this every day, all day. Well, not all day, but during the rainy season, you can bet on this happening at least once a day, twice a day. So you can see how fast that water piles up, because I'm on the high spot on the property, so all the water runs right off down to the other one. But that's good though, because I'm on high ground, which means we don't flood. You can see how dry it is up next to the foundation. It all runs downhill. Definitely takes a while to get used to, but that's why I say when it comes to these dirt roads, when you get torrential downpours like this, those roads just turn into muck and clay, and if you don't have a four-wheel drive, you're not going to get very far.